Hi guys, welcome back to another video here. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies, and at the end it's going to be pretty tasty. This is my Nana's recipe, and we're going to be following the recipe. First, we need to look at our ingredients.
1 cup of shortening, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 1/4 cups of flour, and a bag of chocolate chips.
The first part of the recipe is shortening this weird lumpy frosting thing. Cup. And this is probably a cup full. It sounds so weird. Oops. Okay, now we're pouring all the rest of it down. Now we're gonna do a half a cup of sugar. This is gonna be satisfying. That was a cool sound. 1 cup of brown sugar going in the mixer. Oops. Sometimes baking's kind of messy. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now we're gonna do this. Water. Now we're gonna turn it on and mix it. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs and mix it again. Now it's gonna get really gooey, so it's all gooey now. But now we're gonna add flour to thicken it. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt in there and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'm gonna put the mixer back down and mix it up. Okay, this really might fluff. Oh, not that bad. Okay, now you can see we're scraping all this dough off. But I want to eat one. Okay, now we're gonna add chocolate chips to one of them. I actually want to try them. Good. Now we're gonna turn on the mixer. Is this locked? No. Now it is.
That's a satisfying noise.
It sounds like bees.
That's what I call cookie dough.
Wow. Let's taste it. Really delicious. Now it's time to preheat the oven. Put it on the baking sheet. That means it start reheating, I guess. Okay, now we're gonna time this. 1, 2, 3.
A few moments later.
As you can see, the cookies are now done. Now we're gonna taste test them. It smells so good. Well, the cookies are done. They're not really done cooling off, but now we're gonna try them with milk. Cookies are the best. Good cookies. Well, since I'm done with the cookies, thanks to my Nana who made these delicious recipes for the cookies. Thanks to all of you that are watching this video because it really supports the video. And having you here helps the channel and it also makes it better. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!